Hi guys, I'm on camera today with my cousin Andrea. Myself, we're headed to Home Depot. But before we go, I want to show you what Mother Nature did outside. Okay, for the past couple of days, we had a little wind and rain, which prevented me from coming outside to do some garden work. But yesterday was really windy. And Mother Nature knocked over two plants. She knocked over this, which used to be, I think it's still alive, my grapevine, and also my lemon tree. So I didn't realize that until this morning. So I'm going to pick it up and then I'm headed to Home Depot. Mother Nature took even the bottom off the plant. This tree has thorns, and I gotta be careful not to get stuck on one of them. Mother Nature girl, you're gonna have to pick on somebody else the next time. The tree is crooked now because of all the time. It fell over last year. So we actually came up here to Home Depot for two reasons. My cousin wanted to look at some doors. I wanted to look at what types of plants they were offering this year to see whether I was going to purchase some starters already or rely on seeds myself. But just looking around at what they have to offer the plants really look good. And I'm just trying to figure out whether I'm going to purchase some or whether I'm going to start from seeds. The weather is still cool here, and planting them outside too early could not be beneficial to the plants. But just looking at what they have, they look pretty good. But the prices are just like really kind of doubled what they were last year. And even the strawberries, like these are some of the strawberries, but the prices for the smaller strawberries are even higher. $5 for the small ones. I don't know if I'm going to purchase them from here. I think I'm going to just kind of rely on using seeds. I have seeds already, and I probably will purchase some seeds. But to go with these high prices, okay, I'm going to show you guys what I have been working on. I did say that I was going to start some stuff from seeds, so I'm going to show you what I have been working on. I have started something from seeds. These are seeds from the center of a bell pepper. I pretty much put them in a paper towel, moisten the seeds, and am going to see how they are turning out. I've only had them tucked away for a couple of days. I just wanted to see if it worked any. And of course I'm doing this with one hand because I'm holding the camera with the other hand. So let's see if any has taken, anything came about from the seeds yet, from it being covered underneath. No, it doesn't look like anything is beginning to sprout. Nothing. It's just been a couple of days, but I think if you kind of look closely at, let's see, if you look closely here and here. It's beginning to look like something is taking shape. Like, well, right here, right there. You see, it looks like little stems coming up, beginning to take shape. Yeah, I'm noticing that little tiny things coming about, like right there. It should have a little sprouts. Oh, I see one right here. It should have a little stems in them in a couple of days. So I'm gonna put them in some soil and get them started. So we're still having kind of cool weather outside, so I'll plant them inside, and when they start sprouting, I'll take them outside and plant them in the garden. So yeah, it's beginning to work. So that's what I had started. I have a couple more packs like that underneath the cabinet, but I'll let you guys see them as they sprout. This is what the raised garden looked like. Now, this is what it looks like now, but I'm getting ready to show you a video of what it used to look like before. So this is the before. I mean, this is the after. Watch the before. This is my raised garden about 2 or 3 years ago when I was growing some greens. This is how the net used to look when I first put the net on the hoop garden, and my mother and I wanted some greens, and so these are the greens that I grew in my garden. Put some hay around it so that it will keep the soil moist, and they turned out beautiful. They were full. There was no bugs, no nothing. I think we had at least 8 bunches in here, and we fed on those greens for a long time. It was really, really, really good to be able to see those things really just spring up and turn out beautiful. You know, so this is what I'm looking forward to growing again. The raised bed is still in good shape, and so we will be planting some greens again.